Well, hi everyone. I'm Local 5 meteorologist Evan Bunkers with your web forecast. Taking a look at the weather headlines, we are looking at a quiet stretch of weather ahead here in central Iowa. It looks to be rather dry. Temperatures in the 80s, maybe back up to the 90s as we move into next weekend. The one big thing we're keeping an eye on right now is what would be Tropical Storm Idalia, which is coming up here and possibly affecting the Florida coast as we move late in the day on Tuesday. Afternoon high temperatures today here in central Iowa. Very warm out here. 86 here in Des Moines. Cooler air off towards the north and west, 79 in Fort Dodge and in Carroll, and off towards the east, 87 in Ottumwa and 83 degrees for you folks down in Lamoni. Well, it is warm out there, but the good news is our dew points are in the comfortable range out there, so it doesn't feel too bad out there, and it looks to remain that way for the foreseeable future. Here's what would be Idalia, and it's right now pretty unorganized, but it's going to be entering into an area of favorable development, low shear and warm water, and this could develop into a tropical storm and possibly make its way up towards the Florida coast as we move into Tuesday as a hurricane potentially. Here in central Iowa, just partly cloudy skies as we go throughout the evening hours tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll have mostly sunny skies out there. Looks to be a really nice day. A few clouds later on in the day, and on Monday we'll start the day with mostly sunny skies out there. Possibly when we get later in on the day on Monday, just a slight chance of a shower over towards the western part of the state. Most of us will remain dry, but just keep that in mind if you're out and about in western Iowa. Forecasted low temperatures for tonight, 60s here in central Iowa, 62 here in Des Moines, 60 in Ames, off towards the east, a little bit cooler, 59 in Grinnell and in Ottumwa. High temperatures for tomorrow, 81 degrees here in Des Moines, 78 up in Ames. Off towards the western part of the state, 77 in Creston and 77 degrees in Lamoni. High temperatures on Monday, just slightly warmer at 84 here in Des Moines, 82 in Grinnell, and 80 in both Creston and in Lamoni. Well, our forecast for tonight, expect mostly clear skies out there. Very pleasant. 62 degrees will be our low temperature. For tomorrow, another nice day. 81 will be our high temperature. Winds out of the east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Taking a look at your 10-day forecast, very dry throughout the next few days. Tuesday and Wednesday look to be the best days of the week. Temperatures in the mid-80s, sunshine out there. And then as we go towards the end of the 10-day forecast, temperatures will slowly rebound back into the lower 90s by Friday and Saturday.